This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Meet the UBTECH Walker S2, a humanoid robot that's rewriting factory automation. Watch it move at 2 meters per second with fluid, athletic grace. This isn't your typical clunky industrial robot. The Walker S2 sees through advanced binocular vision, creating a 3D map of its environment with pinpoint accuracy. Those hands? Engineering marvels with sub-millimeter precision, sorting through jumbled parts like a master craftsman. With 162-degree waist rotation and a 1.8-meter workspace, it can reach anywhere a human can, and more. But here's the exciting part. These robots collaborate. They coordinate with automated vehicles and work as synchronized teams in narrow aisles where humans might struggle, each with specialized roles like experienced colleagues. Now, here's the revolutionary part. When the battery runs low, the Walker S2 changes its own battery in just 3 minutes. Completely autonomously. No human technician, no downtime. This means true 24/7 operation. It's the world's first self-sustaining industrial robot workforce. The Walker S2 isn't just another robot, it's the future where humans and machines work together more efficiently than ever. Ready for the future of manufacturing? Subscribe to AIX for more cutting-edge robotics content.